Hello, today I would like to show you this absolutely great and beautiful charger for a 6 Motorola XT series radios. It is compatible with at least the XT660D, which is the latest digital one. This is how it looks like. We've got the keypad and this the PMR digital radio. The latest XT660D and the older one XT460, the analog one, they've got exactly the same form factor, so I'm pretty sure that this standard is going to stay for some time. First, let's take a look how this charger presents. So we've got a 6 base, and into those bays you can fit your XT radio, just like that. It doesn't matter if you've got that belt clip, it will fit with it and without. Here we've got a status indicator that's going to tell us what's the current process of recharging. And here is the guide, so you can take a look. The second most important feature is cloning. So if we've got two radios from the same series, we can put them over here or over there. We can activate the programming mode, and one of those radio is going to send the code plug to another, and we are going to get a matching pair. I'm going to show you that feature as soon as I'm going to get a programming cable, so I will be able to mess up the code plug from one radio, make them not working on the same channel, and then we are going to make a cloning so I can show you that nicely. That feature itself allows you to save some money, because if you do not have it, then you need a special cloning cable that have a micro USB on both ends, and you grab both chargers like this, you interconnect them together, and then you can make a cloning between one and the second radio. You are using that port for programming and from making a clone for the code plug. In my personal opinion, if you've got more than 2 radios, it's definitely worth switching from single unit. That's because you are going to save a lot of space and remove all that mess, because you've got a wall plug and you've got that base, and that base, in my personal opinion, is not great, because as you can see it's a little bit flimsy. So I would add some sort of sticky tape and mount it like that to get a good experience. So to put it into perspective, if you imagine having 6 of these next to each other, then it will create a lot of mess. So if you switch to device like this, you've got absolutely beautiful user experience. It's just dropping in, dropping out, and you should be absolutely happy. Plus, you can resell them and basically get this unit for free, because there will be always someone who needs charger like this, for example, to have second unit in home or at the work desk. So you can resell them and get one of these. Let's take a look at the mounting options. So first is just having it on your desk, and this is all you need. It's working perfect, but you can fix it into your wall. If you take a look, you've got a holes for a screw or nail. You can put them on your wall. You stick a nail and you put it down. It's going to catch over here, and you've got absolutely beautiful user experience. If you take a look at the side, we've got a wire guide, so you can put your cable like this or on back, depending on your configuration, so you can have a nice, clean and tidy desk. This is how it presents, just like that. We've got a beautiful fit. Here is a standard cable, so if you need something else, that European plug that I've got over here. You can purchase aftermarket replacement without any problems. And here you can see the exact model number, the wide input voltage, so it's going to have most likely a switch mode power supply, 5 volts DC, and that's make a lot of sense because, as I show you, those chargers are using regular micro USB. On front we do not have anything, and on that side also nothing, so let me route that cable to the back and let's make a test. I'm going to grab my trusty GoalZero as a AC source and I'm just going to plug it in, and our device is ready to rock. Let's start from populating it with 6 radios. Let's take a look. We've got our guide. I grabbed the XT460 radio. I drop it in. We've got red blinking and solid red, and that's mean we are charging. It's going to beautifully turn into green when it's going to be fully charged. So let's add more radio. We need more radios, so let's add the XT665D. This is a digital radio, analog and digital. We've got the blink and we've got a beautiful charging process. Let's add more radios. That's going to be a XT660D, analog and digital. Let's put it in. We've got absolutely beautiful red charging indicator. And here the older analog XT460. And they are going to nicely and beautifully recharge themselves. Just give them a second. We've got charging, charging, charging. Just take a look how beautiful it presents. We've got the GoalZero that is recharging 6 of our radios at the same time with a single cable. We've got absolutely no mess. Clean, beautiful setup. They are looking exactly like the same one used as a public safety, but it is a commercial grade and license free. You can definitely use them at some sort of a field event or in a security office building. Absolutely beautiful. In my personal opinion, this is how you should do it. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find that interesting. See you next time and bye bye.